Mom AI is the best just released AI software that's causing waves in the market, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. Whether you're a business owner, a digital marketer, or just someone curious about new AI tech, this tool might just be a game changer for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Mom AI is worth your attention. So, what exactly is Mom AI? Well, it's a groundbreaking software designed to simplify tasks that normally take up a ton of your time. It's built to automate key workflows, streamline decision-making, and provide data-driven insights with minimal input from you. And trust me, that's just scratching the surface of what it can do. But the best part? You can try this software completely free from the first link below. First off, let's talk about the interface. Mom AI has a super intuitive design that even beginners can easily navigate. No steep learning curve here, which is rare for AI software. From the moment you start, the platform is accessible and doesn't require a tech background to use. The user experience is smooth, and everything feels thought out to optimize your time. Next, the automation capabilities are next level. Mom AI doesn't just automate tasks, it learns from your interactions and improves its accuracy over time. This means it gets smarter as you use it. For example, if you're using it for marketing automation, it can analyze your previous campaigns and suggest improvements, making your workflows faster and more efficient. This continuous learning process is a huge advantage over other software on the market. Another crucial aspect to note is its versatility. Whether you're using it for content creation, marketing, or data analysis, Mom AI adapts to your needs. It integrates easily with other software, which is something that's often overlooked in AI tools. You can connect it with platforms you're already using, which makes the transition smoother and saves you from having to relearn systems. Now, one of the biggest selling points is its predictive analytics. Mom AI doesn't just react to data, it predicts outcomes based on trends and patterns it observes in your business. This is a game changer, especially if you're trying to make better decisions with limited resources. Imagine knowing which marketing strategy will likely work best for your target audience before you even launch it. That's what predictive analytics with Mom AI can offer. Another standout feature is its customer support. AI can be intimidating, but Mom AI's team is incredibly responsive and helpful. They offer support channels that allow you to get answers to your questions quickly, which makes the experience much more enjoyable. They also provide resources, tutorials, and webinars, which are perfect for getting the most out of the software. The software is also highly customizable. Unlike many one-size-fits-all platforms, Mom AI allows you to tailor its features to suit your exact business needs. Whether you want to automate specific parts of your workflow or you need certain reporting functions, you can adjust the settings to fit your preferences. This flexibility is crucial if you want to scale your operations without needing to invest in a ton of other tools. Lastly, let's talk about the value. You're probably wondering if the price tag justifies the features. And the answer? Absolutely. With the time-saving automation, predictive insights, and high level of customization, Mom AI offers incredible value for what you get. Plus, you can try it for free, so there's no risk in giving it a shot. So, to sum it up, Mom AI is an all-in-one AI solution that stands out in the crowded space of software tools. It's user-friendly, customizable, and incredibly powerful. If you're interested in improving your business workflows, automating repetitive tasks, and making smarter decisions, this software could be exactly what you've been looking for. Don't forget to try it for free through the link below. And before you go, I've spent thousands of hours testing various AI software. And in the description, you'll find a list of my personal recommendations that you can try for free. Thanks for watching, and don't miss out on these powerful tools.